Okay, you've decided that you want to do a Stratocaster SSS to SSH upgrade, and we might as well start with the first step. I recommend that you plug your guitar, you play it for a couple of minutes, you make sure everything is working, because once you do this upgrade, if things don't kick in, you'll always wonder, was my guitar working? So the first thing I want you to do is play it. The next thing I want you to do is take these screws that are out here around the edge of the pickguard and remove them from the guitar. I'm showing you each one at a time. Here they are. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 11 in this pickguard. Now, the screws that are over here, these are for pickup height adjustment. These 6 screws do not come out for the pickup height adjustment, just the ones on the outside of the pickguard. So if you'll go off and do that in step 1 and pause the video, you can start your modification of your 3 single coils to a single humbucker and give your guitar a little more crunch in its bridge position. We're going to put that humbucker right down here near the bridge, and we're going to swap this pickguard that's sitting on this guitar completely, because the humbucker, which looks like this, is not going to fit that slot. So we're going to have to change the pickguard.